Hey guys, today I want us to review one of the world's leading crypto trading platforms going by the name of HOTBIT. What makes them a leading exchange? Point number one, they have a wide range of crypto assets. In terms of numbers, over 400 of them. If you want to see some of the assets available here, you can go to CoinMarketCap and you will see all these assets that are available to you. There are quite many, guys, so brace yourselves. All these guys are available to you for trading on the HOTBIT platform. Okay, point number two, the user-friendly interface. As you can see, it doesn't get easier than this, guys. This is just super easy for you and me to use. If you're the kind of trader that wants to buy low, sell high, you can easily do that. If you want to sell at a specific price, you can use the limit order there. You have that option. If you want to buy your crypto assets at market value, you can do that as well. Super easy interface, everybody will be able to use it. Point number three, they've made registration super easy for everybody to register an account. Well, so if you want to register an account, you can easily use either your phone number or your email address. Well, you have the option no limitation. I prefer using the email address. Phone numbers, well, sometimes if you're a frequent traveler, you're in and out of the country, well, you might say this, you can roam and whatnot. Well, roaming is quite expensive, so I prefer email to make everything much easy. Then the last 2 points are my favorite. One, they have a 24/7 customer service which is always available to attend to our queries. Guys, for an exchange, this is outstanding. You don't get this anywhere else. It's only available to you via HOTBIT. And lastly, if you value security like me, this is definitely your exchange. They have a 24/7 real-time audit service for all its users' assets, all thanks to a partnership with the industry's best audit companies going by the name of Slowmist and Biosin. Hope I got the names right. With all these measures in place, it's a reason they hold a record for a zero loss of any user's assets. I'm sure you've heard in the news, read articles, and certain exchanges getting hacked, users' crypto assets missing or they've been stolen. Well, you don't get this here. HOTBIT means business. Security is the top priority. Customers must come first. With that being said, let's look at what HOTBIT has to offer. We have ETFs here. You can go for the perpetual investments too, and we have an investment section which we are interested in at the moment. So let's see what's available. Well, HOTBIT, your bank of crypto assets. Well, zero threshold, low risk, deposit and withdraw as you go, the incomes. Well, for now, according to what we have here, we have over 141 investment opportunities. Well, if you want to go by category, you can go for the lending, the DeFi, quantitative trading, incentive plans, POS, and that's what it is. but for now I'll leave it as it is. So, choosing your perfect investment asset. Well, if you're a numbers guy, you'll be looking at the annual percentage yield, APY in short. Well, sometimes going for the biggest or the largest number is not always the safest. Let's take USDT for instance. This is a stable coin. It's pegged to the US dollar, so you don't expect this to fluctuate so much like Bitcoin usually does, which I don't know if it's true. Well, I might just be speculating as well, but it's said that Bitcoin is a speculative asset, so it's up to you. If you're going to ask me between Bitcoin and USDT, if I want to play it safe, I'll go for USDT because it's a stable coin. But well, that shouldn't limit you to go for, sometimes you have to risk a little bit. They are the risk, they are the reward, simple as that. But in this case, our example, we'll be looking at Bitcoin. But if that's not for you, well, there's a whole list of assets here you can choose from. It's all up to you. There are no limitations of what you can invest in. If you want, you can invest in all this if your pocket allows. But guys, remember, all this comes with risk. So if you have a financial advisor, get financial advice from them. But besides that, let's continue with what's on topic today. So let's look at BTC as our example. As it is, this is the BTC DeFi Smart Pool with an annual percentage yield standing at 11.01%. This is all calculated by the previous APR, which will be updated at 13 GMT plus 8 on their current day. This is based on the time zone they're using. Okay, but that's not what I'm interested in. It's this one here. Don't know if you can see it. Let me just click so that it opens up. It's a BTC 30-day lockup limited boosting income. I think I like this one. It's something that's achievable. So certain things you need to take keen interest in. It's this minimum purchase of 0.01 BTC. This should be about $170 from our current rate as of today, the 26th of November. Available purchase volume 82, validity period 30-day, as it says BTC 30-day lockup period. So your investment will be locked up for 30 days, and these 30 days doesn't start immediately when you make your purchase. No, the count starts the following day. Like you can see here, interest calculation starts at this date, guys, 27th November 2020. Maturity date next month, December the 27th, which is exactly 30 days. I hope I'm communicating, people are able to understand. Okay, so unlike other investment assets available here, the other one we're looking at, the DeFi Smart Pool Bitcoin, I think they charge about 10%. This one has no service charge on the product. They charge 10% on the profit, not on your investment. But this one, that charge does not apply. Okay, I hope people are understanding. Yes, okay, let's look at something interesting here, how the calculation on investment income is done. Well, okay, here goes. HOTBIT calculates income based on the value of capital held by the investor, that's you and me, the actual number of days that each capital has been placed into the investment, and the actual rate of annualized return. So in this case, they are saying the actual number of days, 30 days being placed, the actual rate of annualized return. In this case, we're looking at 10%. So we'll multiply 30 by the 10 by the investment. We divide by number of days in a year, which is 365. Okay, let's keep looking at what HOTBIT has for us. Okay, so users income, how we calculate our income. Well, the user's income is equal to the capital placed in investment multiplied by the actual rate of annualized return multiplied by the number of days regarding the validity period of the product. That is divided by 365, which is the number of days in a year, as I said earlier on. So for example, this is an example that HOTBIT has, so that everybody gets to understand. Hope this does not confuse you in any way. So suppose that the user's investment is 10 bitcoins, 10 BTC. The validity period of the product is 30 days. Yes, from the investment product that we chose is 30 days. So the expected rate of annualized return is 5%. Then the investment income due to the user by the maturity date will be 10 bitcoins multiplied by the 5%, the APY percentage, multiplied by the 30 days. You remember this? The number of days regarding the validity of the product divided by 365, the number of days in a year. So from the 10 bitcoins, the user's income when you invest 10 bitcoins from this, based on this example, 10 bitcoins in the next 30 days will give you 0.0410 bitcoins. That's the income the user obtains. I hope that's clear for everybody. Simple and straightforward, guys. It doesn't get better than this. Just remember, according to the rules and regulations for redemption, the product is designed as a 30-day fixed term investment product, which does not support redemption after the purchase is conducted successfully. All capital and income will be transferred into relevant users' investment accounts on the HOTBIT platform bit400 on the next day. Or is it 24 hours? I don't know if 24 hours is the thing, but anyway, 00, which symbolizes start of the next day. Guys, HOTBIT, the leading crypto trading platform, doesn't get better than this. If you're interested in an asset you want to invest in, HOTBIT is your trading platform. Thanks for watching.